Welcome everyone. The first step to factory reset S23 Ultra without the passcode is you need to connect the S23 Ultra to either a computer, another Android phone, or an iPhone or iPad. If you disconnect the charger, the next step won't work. So now we need to do a special key combination to enter into the recovery mode. So that key combination is power and volume down key for 15 seconds. Then we release both buttons and then press and hold power and volume up until we enter the recovery mode. So let's do this together. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume down. 2, 3. And this obviously can be counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now release the power and volume down. And then we're going to press and hold power and volume up and just keep these two held down until you see the recovery screen. If you do fail, just rewind the video and just press the buttons exactly as I do. So now we see the Android recovery here. So we're just going to click the volume buttons to navigate, as you can see like this. And to select, you click the power button. If you try and use the touch screen, that won't work. So we're going to click the volume down until we see wipe data / factory reset. And then we'll click the power button. And then you go down one more time and you see the factory data reset option. Do note, if you had a Google account set up on the phone, you will have to enter in the Google account password after the factory reset. It's called like an FRP lock. This is just so like someone can't steal your phone. Okay, so that is just something to keep in mind. But if this is your phone, you own it, you just forgot the password, then you should really know your Google login, because you're watching this video on Google. So with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.